Welcome to the wild world of animals. They're cute, they're cuddly, and sometimes they're downright crazy. In the wild landscapes of Africa and Asia, a majestic predator roams the leopard. With unmatched stealth, it prowls silently, disappearing into its surroundings. Agile and powerful, it climbs trees effortlessly. A skilled nocturnal hunter, it strikes with precision, solitary and adaptable. It navigates diverse landscapes. Together, we must protect this majestic predator and preserve its untamed legacy. From the fastest cheetah to the slowest sloth animals, amaze us with their unique abilities and behaviors. Join us next time for more adventures in the wild world of animals.